Oven baked, juicy and flavorful whole beef brisket. Just like this, carefully. Whole beef brisket. This is from Costco. We will take it out from the packet. Look at this grain. Let's give it a quick rinse, pat dry it, and then we will season it. And seasoning will be a delicious rub. Let's pat dry this with the paper towel so our delicious seasoning can stick. This recipe, once you make it, it's a little bit time consuming. It's gonna take 6 hours to cook. You want to remove this fat layer, you can, but leave it. This is what makes beef brisket juicy. Grab your bake sheet, foil paper layer, parchment paper. You can use butcher paper too, beef brisket. This is how it's gonna be. Dry marinade bowl, first thing goes in there, smoky paprika. Since we have to give a smoky flavor, we will take 2 tablespoons of smoky paprika. Garlic powder. For the 6.5 pounds of the beef brisket, we will take 2 tablespoons wood-fired garlic. This is a wood-fired smoky garlic, so at least 2 tablespoons of it. We will take salt, 2 tablespoons of the salt. Here is minced dried onion, 1, 2, and 3. Fresh grounded black pepper. This is the king of the dish actually. So 2 whole tablespoons of black pepper. Red chili powder, regular one, 1 tablespoon. Let's give it a mix to all the dry marinade. Wish you can smell that. All right, here you go. Sprinkle it evenly. Now let's flip it. Just like that. Let's season this side as well. At least 5 tablespoons to 6 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons on each side. Make sure you get the sides as well. Okay, here's the liquid smoke. This will give the smoky flavor. You take at least 2 tablespoons each side. Oh my God, I'm already getting this barbecue smell in there. Yummy. Organic honey, or you can use brown sugar, 2 tablespoons each side. It will give this sweet texture. There you go. I have to wipe all these bottles now. It's sanitizer. So here it is. All the marinade is done. Perfect. This is the perfect marinade. Look at this creamy, juicy, sweet texture on top of it. From now, these will be the final results too. All right, so now we have to just set it for the bake. So the meaty section, this meaty section will be at the bottom and the fatty section will be on top. Turn on your bake, set the temperature to 75. Now it's the time we will cover it just like that. Grab another piece foil paper, cover the whole tray. Make an oven out of it. Make a pot, you know, with the lid. That's what it is. And here you go. Beef brisket is ready to get into oven. Our oven is ready and we made the marinade. We rubbed it. We put all the ingredients on top of it to make this delicious smoky flavor whole brisket in your oven. Let's add this in oven. Here you go, 275. Here it goes. Now we have to just watch the time. It's 7:20, so by 1:20 we will open and we will take a look. And until then, we have a snowstorm going on outside, so let's enjoy some snow time. It's been 5 hours. Look at the clock. It says 12:15. Let's take it out. Let's open it because we have to bring the crust on it. 5 hours. This has been the biggest recipe for my oven. OMG. Look at this beauty. And that's what it is. We still have 1 more hour. By 1:20 it will be ready. So let's put this back just like this carefully. All right, here you go. So 1 more hour to go. Without any covers, it's gonna be roasting in there. This is 6 hours in. Here is our beef brisket right there. This is the moment of truth. Let's get this beautiful after 6 hours. This is so wonderful. Look at this beauty right here. All the way. Just 8 beautiful ingredients. You put these all ingredients, 8 of them. I'll put the amount of the ingredients in the description box. Here it is, whole beef brisket right here, my friend. Oh my goodness. It's buttery smooth. And here it is. Oven baked, delicious beef brisket. There you go. Who don't want that? OMG. Look at this, okay? Press it from the top. See? OMG, it's so tender, man. Look at this meat. Falls apart. First bite. It's a dreamy brisket. You can make in your oven. Just 8 ingredients. 6 hours of your time. You don't have to marinate overnight and you will get the best ever brisket you can make. Look at the layer of fat. Look at this meat.